Yo, what's good, man? It's your boy RichEverythang. I know y'all ain't seen me in a minute, man. Y'all probably said, man, he done went ghost on us. Nah, man, I've been just a tad bit under the weather, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you, man, because y'all like family, like just going through some things, man. It was my first time losing a loved one. I ain't gonna get too deep into that, man, because I'm trying to like break the mold right now and just push on, because I know my father will want me to push on and you know what I'm saying, just strive for the best. So with that being said, man, we're gonna get back to work. Nice sunny day out, as you can see, man. Coming from a doctor's appointment, little checkup, you know what I'm saying, making sure everything's straight, trying to stay safe. So, you know, of course, I keep the mask on, keep the Germ-X, all this other good stuff. I hope y'all out there doing the same thing, man. To my raffle people, man, y'all should be seeing y'all shirts in a little bit. For the ones of those who already done reached out to me, gave me the address, gave me their size or whatnot, y'all should be seeing y'all shirts in a little bit. I think I got about 4 more shirts to drop off. And one shirt I'm gonna try to do personally, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? Got my boy Raymond Lennon shirt with me right here. So I'm gonna try to get with him personally and drop his shirt off. But right now, man, while we on the road, man, I'm gonna take y'all over here to one of my buddies, man, another one of my guys who paint. And y'all might, I don't think I never post a video of him on YouTube, but for the most part, you know what I'm saying, this will be the first video I post to him. Me and him actually worked on a project together, and I wouldn't say it didn't come out successful, but you know, we had a time crunch on it. And when you're working on a lot of projects that have a time crunch, they can put you in a crunch. So y'all have to understand that. So with that being said, man, this is a great guy, man, great guy. You know what I'm saying? Whenever I need a little push or whatnot, man, you know what I'm saying, he always there to give me that push. We've been through some things, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. He done said what he had to say. I done said what I had to say. And that's what I like about him, because I don't want yes men around me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like to keep it 100. I want somebody who gon' not yes man me, but you know what I'm saying, just let me know like what's going on. Like, you know, if I'm doing something wrong, or I'm doing something out of the way, or whatever the case may be, man, you know what I'm saying, let me know. And this is somebody who he a little bit older than me, man, but being around him, man, I got a chance to learn. And when I say learn, man, a lot of people won't tell you about their mistakes or whatnot, but you know, he told me about a couple of mistakes that he made in the past, and it just it made a big impact on my life. So with that being said, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. I done talked for about 3 minutes to bring y'all in. So matter of fact, y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all see I'm out here on the highway right now, so we going to him. We'll be to him in a little while shortly. So y'all stay tuned. Yep, so we pulling up on my boy right now. Walk inside the shop, see what he got going on. I think he in the shop. I see the door open, so we're gonna see. Let's see what he do. I'm gonna turn this camera around. Yo, so I cut the camera off. I was trying to sneak up on him, but I don't know. I think he kind of surprised me. I bust off in here, man, to see this right here. And he in the lab working. Man. I caught him at the right time, though. Matter of fact, you can go ahead and I'm going to let him introduce himself, man. You know what I'm saying?
What's happening?
What's good with you, man? Let the people know who you is, man.
My name is Tony. Some people call me Anthony. Some people call me Cleo. Whatever you choose, it don't matter. Just call me.
Yeah.
That's it.
So shoot.
I'll put some shine on this thing right quick, man.
We see this magic out. We see you working, man. We see you working. So look at here. First thing first, so we can kind of let the people know what's what. We're gonna do a little slight interview to bring y'all up. So how long you been doing the painting and stuff?
Oh man, since I was a kid, really.
Yeah.
I was in Germany.
Okay.
I was 16. I'm almost 50 now, so A little while.
You still young.
Yes, sir. I feel young.
You got a lot of energy in him. So with that being said, you say you started it off since you were young. So I'm pretty sure you got the chance to put together a whole lot of projects then.
Oh yeah, man. I've done a lot.
Yeah.
Done a whole lot.
Yeah.
I love it. That's all I can say.
We see you in here now. What you got going on with the van at this stage right here?
Oh man, just went Saturday and buffing a little bit.
Okay.
I had to show my baby some love. This Betsy.
Yeah.
Betsy done took me all over the place.
Yeah.
I love Betsy. Like I say, this is my work van for my business, Cleo's Electrical Service. And I just I had to show her some love because she been good to me. You know what I'm saying?
See, that's a lot of what I tell y'all, man. Like, when you got to invest in yourself. You know what I'm saying? So even your vehicles, man. Like, my mom and daddy always told me your vehicle is only going to last as long as you take care of it. So, you know, speaking of that, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all see what my man got going on. And I wish I had a before picture of this right here so I could have showed y'all. It was all white. I saw him when he started the project because it was all white and he did little by little. Saw him in the store picking up some supplies one day, and I knew he was like ready to go because he was like in a super rush. And I was like, man, my man must be got something up his sleeve, man. But no, he told me, he was like, man, he said, Rich, man, I might need you to do a couple of things for me. And I was supposed to grab some stuff for him, man. And I'll be honest with you, at the time, man, me being me, I had so much going on, it was crazy. But one thing about him, though, I can give him a call at any time of the night, man, any given day. He going to pick that line up, and he going to give me some words of wisdom on top of us, you know what I'm saying, catching up with each other. So, I mean, y'all see it. What made you come up with it? Well, we ain't going to get into the color scheme. Where'd you get the colors from?
A project I did a long time ago. Mm-hmm. And I just want to bring it back to life, man. That's all.
Gotcha.
You don't see it no more, so I want to bring it back.
Yeah. Well, I definitely love the. You got a silver on the top, right?
Yeah, silver on the top.
Mm-hmm.
It's got a house of color. It's a sea green pearl mixed with a little something.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what that is. That's like a sea green pearl. When I take it outside, you'll be able to see it. You can't see it in here.
Yeah.
At all. And this one, this is like a off-white base.
Yeah.
I had this one on my 64, the Buick I had. And it's an off-white base. And then on top of it, it has it's a turquoise pearl with a little bit of flake in it.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I don't know if y'all can see that right there on camera. But look at here, the camera ain't really... Okay, we can see a little razzle-dazzle in that thing. A little bit of dancing in it. Yeah, just a little bit, but I ain't even going to lie to you. The camera don't do it no justice right now for me seeing it. You know what I'm saying? With the eye. So, oh, man. Give y'all a quick little walk around. Then I'm going to let him get the word on that thing right there. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. Sometimes you got to take the time out to stop. Put some love into yourself, man.
That's it, Bubba. That's it.
Y'all notice that he went over the windows and everything right here. So all that right there covered up so you can't see nothing on the inside. 100% work van, man. Another great painter, man. Brand new bumpers and all. You see it. Working, man, working. Let y'all see exactly what it is.
Get off it. It's just a work van. Get off it.
Y'all see it?
Y'all gotta get off it.
Class for y'all.
I'll be doing too much, man. I'll be doing too much. But I love it. I
don't know. We got that thing sitting in the yard, man. Of course, you know the story behind the box Chevy. It was given to me by my dad. I'm trying to do a little something to give it to my son. Last time you was over to the shop, he helped me get the top off, and then he told me, he was one of the good people that told me what I had to do to get the top of the body work right. On top of, a couple of other people actually putting their hands on it. But this was like the last person to tell me what I really needed to do to grind it out. And to be honest with you, I ain't gonna lie, I think it was a test at the same time, because he would call and he'd be like, man, you got it? And he would watch, you know what I'm saying? I see him. If I made progress, he pushed like on the comments and all this stuff. And then once he saw it, it's like I got that phone call from a man, and I ain't even gonna lie, like that made my day. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure it made his day, because this is like one out of a couple of people. But this is one of the persons who actually took the time out, slowed it down, made me put the grind into the body work part of it, and getting it right, not playing over it. Just, you know, if you ain't satisfied with it, go back at it. You know what I'm saying? And it was several times we was working on projects, and you know, he'd look at it and he'd be like, "You like it?" And you know, I look at it, and I just you see how you getting that fine touch across there. I put that fine touch on it, and I'd be like, "Nah, man." He'd be like, "All right, well, you know what you got to do. Walk away, leave me alone." He come back, and you know, several times he, you know, when I get past when I surpass myself just a little bit, he'll tell me, ho. So you working too hard now. So, and then, you know, he'll actually show me there's no wrong way of doing it, but there is an easy and a hard way of doing it. And some people, I will give it to you like this. I was taught by this man that the easy way is not for everybody at first. Ooh. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what kind of teals we got over there for me?
What kind of what?
Teal. Come on, man.
Teal.
Don't tell me you ain't gonna. Okay.
Let's see what we got.
Hey, as a matter of fact, for me to go ahead and put this out there, right? For me to put this out there for y'all. This is who I was blessed by, that gave me, and this is how I know it was God work. When I came up with the color, he was like, hold on for a minute. And we took a little walk to the other side of his shop. And he, you know, when we went around there, he was like, man, he said, I might have something for you. We walked in and he took a little look. And long story short, man, he blessed me with the interior that I got. So that teal that y'all see that I got, that's who I got it from. Because I was in the middle of actually getting ready to order some, and he told me, he was like, nah, don't order none, I might have something for you. So with that being said, man, you know, I waited and came over one day. I had to bring was that the day I brought the weld over? I just dropped by that day. I think I just dropped by that day. Cause you was working on you was working doing the bathroom. Ooh. Y'all see what's going on?
I just happened to have this. Just coincidence.
By coincidence.
By coincidence. That's all.
Come on, man.
That's it. That's what's going
y'all
on
look
there,
deep
y'all.
into the can now. Look into the can now.
That's what's going on there. See, we already got it.
Okay.
We got stuff and don't even know we got it. We blessed.
Yeah. So y'all see what's going on, man.
Oh, look at that.
Y'all see what's going on, and y'all see, just so y'all see what's up, man. I ain't want to show y'all too much, but everything right here, I'm going to just show y'all that right there, that label, House of Color. You know, y'all need to see one more so y'all know it ain't a game, House of Color. That's what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? You show them some more?
All of that down.
Oh, okay.
They can see it. They can see it. Oh, my.
Okay. So y'all see what's going on. So, you got any other major projects coming up soon, or?
Oh man, it's about to get hectic. I already know it.
Yeah.
I got one of them H2 Hummers.
Yeah.
Remember the one that they stopped making?
Yeah.
With the open back. For a guy on the beach that owns a Mexican restaurant, so it's gonna be his advertising truck. And he wants some colors like this. That's the main reason I'm doing it.
What year that was?
I don't even remember. But it's clean. It's white.
Gotcha. He going back white, or he going?
No, he gonna let me play with it. He wants to see these colors, because these are the colors that's on his Mexican restaurant logo.
Gotcha.
So he gonna let me play with it. I got that. I got a 2002 Corvette coming. That's the anniversary edition.
Okay.
Of course, for this year.
And he got He got a box Chevy with panoramic roof.
Yeah, we got
coming.
that. Yeah,
Photo.
we already
Photo.
got covered for that big stuff.
Photo.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
already
saying?
big stuff.
So that y'all know it's definitely a push on that, man. It's definitely a push on that. I ain't even gonna lie to you, like, man, look at here. Like, I'm a stack this bread to the side, man. He already know what the ingredients is, so man, I'm gonna put my all into this right here, and I'm just gonna let a good Lord guide me on the rest, man. So y'all see it, man. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to my boy for a quick little second, and then I'm gonna cut the camera back on. We might show y'all a little bit something extra. I don't know yet.